What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another edition of the Missing Tooth Mukbanger, and today we're doing something special. We are doing that chicken pho, that Pholicious that we've been seeing on TikTok that's pretty popular. So I'm excited to do this with you guys. We're going to do the directions really quick. Sorry for the noise. I have something in the air fryer that I'm going to be putting into this chicken pho. So I'm excited to do this. See you guys in a little bit. Are you excited? Bye. Alright, so we're going to get this all ready to go. Alright, so this is what it is, the chicken Pholicious. I got to get some water in here. I am going to use the microwave, so let's see what's inside here. They got some chopsticks. Check that out. There are the noodles. They have it in letters, so it tells you the directions. That's A. And then this is the spice packet, which is B. Really nice. And the seasoning spices is letter C. And then all of the other stuff is condiments. So you got some sriracha, you have some hoisin sauce, and I think these are cilantro flakes and chicken bouillon. That's D. Alright, we'll set this all up, alright? Sorry, my microwave's still open. I'm a mess. All right, so let me go ahead and take the bag. Look how steamy it is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, y'all better buy this on the TikTok shop. Check that out. I'm gonna take that spice bag out. I do want to squeeze it. Is it? Ooh, yeah. Let's squeeze some of that. Ooh. Oh. Y'all already know I'm a hot mess. Let's squeeze it out. Ooh, get that juice out. Alright, let's put that over here. We're going to use that later. Use that next time. Let's go ahead and put the sides, the condiments in. Some hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. I always put hoisin sauce whenever I get pho. Yes, throw all of it in there. And of course, we're going to put our sriracha. You always have to have sriracha in your pho. Oh, I'm having trouble. All right, sriracha in the pho. There it is. Ooh. Boom. And of course, last but not least, let's get these dried. I think it's cilantro. Yes. Y'all, I'm so excited. But I have other things to eat with it. I can't wait to show you guys. Oh, there's my water. Oh. Y'all see this? I'm gonna have to bring the camera a little bit closer so y'all can see. Hold on. I'm gonna bring it closer to y'all. There it is. Check that out. Ooh, y'all is mad. Who is mad? Look at that. Ooh, I know y'all want some. I'm this close. So I'm gonna do a little taste test while I'm here already. Why not? Don't burn my lips. Oh my God. That's not bad. Oh my God. It's all the spices that you need. Oh my god, it's really good, y'all. Ooh, it's really good. All right, let me bring you back. Let me bring you back. Oh, let me bring you back to the angle that I needed. Okay, so I also wanted to make sure that I had some protein in what I'm eating. So I have some chicken here, rotisserie chicken. Look at this. I put it in the air fryer. Look at that. Ooh, it's crispy, y'all. So we're gonna put that right here. We're gonna eat that too. We're gonna throw it. We're gonna eat piece by piece. Why not? Look at that. Ooh, bitch. I know they mad. They mad. Got some chicken wings right there. I threw in the air fryer, ho. Ooh. That ain't the only piece of chicken. That ain't the only piece. I got a little piece of thigh right there too. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like I need a little bit more spice. So look at this piece of chicken, y'all. Rotisserie chicken from yesterday. From the air fryer, bitch. Oh. Oh my god. That's good. Throw some out. Oh my god. The noodles are al dente. I love it. Okay. Let's just put the chicken in there. Okay, we'll throw the chicken in the soup. Boom. Y'all eat it with me. There's a good alternative, guys. If you don't have Vietnamese food or where you can get pho in your local area, this is a good alternative. It definitely isn't like authentic. I mean, it's not. If I could rate it between a regular pho place and here, it's a good 8. It's a good 8. I mean, if you are craving pho, this will do it for you. Look at that piece of wings hanging out right there. How sad. Oh my god. Welcome, guys. I forgot to tell you, it is noodle month. So we are representing with noodle month. Shout out to the Missing 2 Mukbanger 2 Squad and Kuya Jello Eats on TikTok. What's going on, guys? Let's get to eating. Yeah, that's so good. I feel like I need more spice. I got the Trader Joe's. Just a little bit more spice. I'm starving. Starving like Marvin, my cousin Marvin. Ooh, bitch, there it is. There it is. This one got stuck over here. Oh, it got soggy. Okay. Fall off the bone. I need that protein. Oh, Jesus. I made it spicy. Ooh. Let me get my hydrogen water. I made it too spicy. Ooh. That was hot. Oh man, that's gonna be a good part of my video. Just coughing all over the place. Rotisserie chicken in the air fryer. Bomb. Look at that. Hopefully I won't cough. My God, it's good. All right, let's get. Ooh, almost dropped it. Let's get this piece of thigh. We're gonna put the chicken. We're gonna. Oh, there's a little bone right here. We're gonna put the skin right here because we're gonna eat that last. Oh, Lord! I almost dropped it, y'all. That'll be a hot mess. This piece. I usually don't like thighs that much. I'm usually a wing person. Y'all hear that crunch? Y'all mad? Oh my God, that's not bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I don't have a napkin. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check this out on the TikTok shop. Finally restocked. So, see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget your memberships on the YouTube channel. Members will definitely get to see this video way ahead before it's actually released. See you guys on the next one. Bye.